Hey, my people, wahala, they say no, they finish. This video, I just come across some. Many video like this, they wey be say, then they do marriage. The wife go just like, I don't understand whether they force them, put for them. This video, one of the watch, so now they talk about. So, as I see this video now, I say, what did they happen? Even the way where the woman, Jesus Christ, they spray the money, they spray her money. No, say na normally we women, if we see money, we go laugh. You understand? Even though say you dey vex, you can't smile. This one, he no laugh, oh, no smile, nothing. That's why you just sukwa wajumu like say the first son put for them, may go do the marriage. I don't understand. You see why be say some men, me I don't know whether they get sense. More than no vessel. Some men when I really get sense. Before now, say I want to do this marriage. This lady, this women will be say they do face like say waiting they not they use again. So they say they okay, say they want marry una. I been because of say una get the money, you don't go see the parents. You don't know say some people they do like that. Oh, you go see the parents will come they tell the daughter, no more, you must marry her, you must do this one. The daughter now just because of say one like okay, me I do it because of my family. There's no love there. They'll go do it. I don't know because many video like this where be say e dey for net the very day where be say they do the marriage, the woman go see how bad it go be like say you see one thing where be I don't understand man where be say you with her una go dey put something for inside something for public. You be like this inside bed shebi go dey think another person. I bet do make you come out. I bet do a quick make I come out for here. I don't understand. Now make a marriage, it no can dey last again because of all these things. Our woman, the very day we be say you go happy, say thank God I married the man where be say na my I want to stay with her for my life. You know, say normally that's what it's supposed to be. You know, all your whole life you want to spend down with that man instead of you to be happy, your jolly day. You understand? Because the day where be say you do marriage, you go there happy. Thank God I don't still come up for roads. I don't still come up for streets. I don't be missus. I don't be no more miss. You understand? Why it be like this? I don't understand. Even the second video where be say I go even watch where I go put for here. The woman, that one, the man they try to like face sign, they give her back. If they give her back, if they give Jesus. Now wow. If marriage na so it they be. It good make people know they marry. Because me I don't know whether they force them. Say you must do that marriage. Whether you like it or not, you must do that marriage. Then the first person enter marriage. The answer is no. Now waiting come for your mind. Why it be say that very day you are not happy? The day where be say you supposed to happy. Why it can't be say you can't be like person where be say you just lost somebody. It can't be like say na bury and then they do for them. Just like no smile, nothing. The man they try to they give her money, you know. Some men sha. Now wow, I dey pity some men anyway. Because you know say we women, if na woman na man na can see how bad like that, I know wetin women go fit do. He go leave her for inside that party. He go leave her for there. He go say which kind nonsense be that one. He go leave her for there. They'll come they find the woman where they do marriage or where he go. They go leave her for there. But men they know they leave. They go still there. They go still there. But this marriage it go last. That be the something. It go last. The very day where you supposed to be happy, you dey sad. Waiting person buy, person buy for your family. Waiting they happen. If now so now till they do marriage, one or not they do again. Till that very day where you know say yes, you really know say you want go do marriage. You want go say yes I do. I want stay with this man. Today na my day make I jolly myself. You feel go. Not be the one where person you come they beg you smile now. Give her a kiss now. Talk to her now. They'll come they beg. Which kind of thing be that one? It was the job they tell the woman. Nothing like laugh. I been at the other one. Where be say the man they try to like talk to her. He go give her back. You go give am like this, you go turn. No. As I see the video, I say make I bring am come for my people. They really they see people like this. Now I make am some people after when they don't do marriage, you go say, I regret the day where I even say I want come marry you. Maybe they think of another ex-boyfriend. I don't know for them. If you they think about your ex-boyfriend, even though say the man get money, not marry now, just they follow and they no, help and check the money may you come up for them. That way you want say you want go marry. When they'll come and say where you go say I beg that side. I know if you talk. You not say a day like that. When I join newly marriage. Now don't really enter marriage. It just be like this. Maybe they never even born now. Before they'll come say they're born. Before you know, they'll say they're not there again. You go say that useless man. I don't throw away on this one. Why una come invite many people? Make they come sit down, make they come follow na Jolie. Why una come say make they come say una want celebrate una marriage? Now that one I mean they ask. Especially the women. I never see man. For it. I never see video where be say man they do in marriage. You go be like say they do they do burial. I never see. Now women, why be like that women? If you are not ready, make una not go in. Not be by force. Don't go in if you are not ready. You not sure 100% say yes, you want go marry. If you are not sure, not do. Just enjoy your life. They go, even though they talk, say why you never marry. Tell them say you never ready. Now it better pass down. You go run enter the marriage. Before you know, you go see run come out. Because why? Your mind not there. You not love the man. Now the money you just there after me you chop. Follow and chop the money now. Not marry him. Because some all these men like this, after I don't marry you go say with by force, both bars. You go young way. So what is the need? Anyway, my people, may I put this video for now. Make una watch. Many day like this. If you be woman, sister, I beg not go inside marriage where you know say you are not sure 100% to go in with that man. Because inside house, you go suffer. You go suffer, not be lie. If your mind still there for outside, say you never chop finish for outside, sit down for outside. When you don't finish to chop, you go come decide say you want enter house. Okay? Una bye for now. Please help me to love and like and share this video. Bye bye.